Welcome to Sightseeing Tube. Today I will take you in a lovely walking tour in the heart of Rome, a city where every corner tells a story, and when the sun sets, a new side of the city comes alive. Join us for a night walk through the charming streets of Rome, where history blends with the vibrant energy of modern life. As the night falls, the streets of Rome take on a different character. The soft glow of streetlights, the aroma of Italian cuisine, and the distant sound of conversations fill the air. Whether you're a local or a visitor, Rome's nightlife offers an experience that's both intimate and inviting. Rome at night is a blend of cultures and traditions. You'll find people from all over the world gathering to enjoy the city's warm evening air, from quiet conversations in outdoor cafes to lively street performances, bringing energy to every corner. Exploring Rome by night is like stepping into a painting. Every narrow alleyway and every small shop has its own unique charm. The city's timeless architecture is even more captivating under the gentle lights, creating an atmosphere of romance and nostalgia. Rome is a city that knows how to live at its own pace. From late-night street vendors to impromptu art displays, the nightlife here is not about rushing, it's about enjoying every moment. The beauty of Rome is in its simplicity and the richness of its culture that comes to life at night. Rome's nightlife is more than just entertainment, it's an experience. An evening walk through its streets brings a sense of serenity and wonder, as the city quietly continues its dance between the past and the present. Thank you for joining us on this peaceful journey through Rome's enchanting night. Make sure to subscribe for more walking tours and experiences from cities around the world. See you on our next adventure.